Welcome guys to the first episode of Python programming course. In this episode, we are going to discuss how you can install Python in your system, and we will also run our first Python program in today's episode. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe to follow me along this Python series. So without wasting much more time, we will directly go to the screen and see how you can install Python in your system. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is you can search it on Google. Here we will download the Python. You can select the OS here. I am in the Mac OS. You can select for Windows. From here you can download the Python. Okay. If you are in the Windows system, you will see the Windows option here. Okay. So once that is done, we will set up Visual Studio Code in our system. You can type Visual Studio Code in Google and download that in your system. Okay. So you can select the Windows version, Mac OS version. And make sure if you are in the Windows version, you have to set up the environment path. So environment path in Windows or Python. Okay, so here you can see you can select the Python installation directory. That means generally it's in this users and username app data local programs Python version. Okay, or in C drive you will find the Python version. So this is how you can find the installation directory. You can open the environment variable window. For that you need to press the window key and type environment variable. So in the bottom left you will be able to see that kind of key, window key, and that there you will type environment variables and you have to click the edit environment variables. You will see that option. Click environment variable button, system properties window, edit the path variable, and in the environment variable dialog under system variable you will see this. So if you follow, you will find the option. Okay, you will find the edit option, and in the environment variable window click new and add the environment path. So wherever your Python directory is installed, so if it is inside C users and in this location, you have to paste it here in the environment variables, and if it is in the simple C Python version, so you have to paste that. Repeat the process to add the scripts subdirectory. Same process you have to follow. You have to add this path also. And once that is done, close all the windows by clicking OK and verify the setup. Okay. So to verify the setup, you have to open the command prompt and you have to type Python version. So this is how you can set up the basic Python. And I am also preparing one IDE for you guys to practice Python. Okay. Codzify.com Python IDE, and here you can run the Python program. Okay, I will set up this in production today or tomorrow. Okay, so till then we will use the Visual Studio Code, which will be more helpful for you. If you are in the Mac OS, we will check whether Python is installed or not. So Python is not installed. We will type Python 3 version. So we have this version of Python in our system. Now we will run our first Python program also. So for that you need to open the Visual Studio Code, and from file you have to open new file here. Okay, and here we will type, this is a basic Python program which will print hello world on the screen. Currently you don't have to worry about what is written here. We are just testing the things out, whether everything is set up properly or not. Okay, now from file you can save here, or you can see the shortcut here. This is a keyboard shortcut, Command S in Mac, and if you are in Windows, you will see Control Shift S. Okay, so I will press Command S in Mac, and here I will save first, because this is our first Python program, first.py. So why .py? .py is a Python extension. If you know how HTML code is written, you will see the extension of .html. If you are writing a JavaScript code, that will be represented using .js extension. So basically .py represents that this is a Python file and this is the name of the file. You can give any name to this file. Okay, so we have given the first.py for now. Okay, now inside terminal we will first we have to go to the path where this file is located. For that what you can do is I will write cd desktop. So cd means change directory and desktop means we have to move to desktop. We have to access the files inside desktop. Okay, so we are in the desktop now, and here we have to run the Python. So I will write Python 3 and the name of the file which we have is okay. So here you can see hello world is printed. So whatever changes you do, hello world, welcome to Python programming. Okay, and we will again save. Now if I make the change and directly run here without saving it, this will show me the previous code which was saved. Now to make this happen, we have to save this again. Either you can do this from here or use the Windows, you can use the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, now here I will run it again, and you can see the updated output is printed. If everything is set up properly, like you have installed the Python, you have set up the path in Windows. For Mac users, we don't have to do anything. If you are in Windows, you have to set up the environment path also. Okay, this is very easy. If you follow the steps, you will understand that. Okay, and also you have to download this Visual Studio Code to make sure you can run the Python programs. I hope you got the basic understanding how to install Python in today's episode. In the next episode, we will discuss about Python syntax, where I will tell you how you can write these kind of Python programs. Okay, I am also working on Python IDE, where you can directly run the Python codes in this IDE of Codzify. You don't have to switch to Visual Studio Code again and again. Till second or third episode, I will make sure to bring this live in production. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.